Inbound. Carly with the ball. Harass. Jeffrey. Black ball.
Ilang minutes na lang? Order na to?
May nagre-reklamo sa Rascaldo nila dito. Pagalitan na. Warning for sub PL and Salvador. Jose with the ball. Goes to the middle. Passes to Alvin. Alvin for the three. Airball. Riley with the rebound. Goes to the middle. Drives. Uses his right. Misses. Alvin again. In the middle. Does to Carlos. Carlos passes to Alvin. Alvin. No, loses to him. Okay, Riley to Senior G. To Riley, reverse, 2 points for the number 1 Riley assistant. Alvin with the ball passes to Ashley. Ashley jumps. Jose jumps. No good. Recovers the ball. Ashley jumps again. No good. Sam with the ball. Back to Ashley. Drives to the middle. Where's Rumble? Riley rebounds. Gets it to Jeff. 2 and 1. To Senior G. Back to Jeff. 2 points from her bench. Carlo with the ball. Goes to the side. Passes Ashley. Jumps. And no good. Jose recovers. Passes to Sam. Sam uses the ball. 2 points from Sam Sandra. Riley with the ball. CG. Slow for baseline. Harassed by Sam. Jeff with the ball. Looks at the team. Gives it to Riley. Senior G drives. No good. Reed gets his rebound and comes back. 2 points for Senior G. Alvin uses his left ball.
1 minute.
Second play. Right, puts the ball. From Sam. Goes for a drive. Misses. Carlo with the ball. Drive. Jumps. Misses. Gets the ball back. Jumps again. Still no good. Jeff got for Bobby. Goes in the middle. Back middle. And missed the mitigation. And out of bounds. 9 seconds in the third quarter. 12 seconds remaining.